Yes guys, what is happening and welcome back to a brand new video. Today what we're doing, we were supposed to do it the other day but we had the wrong bolt sizes, so we literally couldn't do a thing. I had a plan all day on it. More people drilling as soon as a video. So yeah, well, about 3 things we can do today. So yeah, it's going to be a good one. First things first, let's get the harnesses. I've wanted these harnesses installed. I've got a track day coming up as well, if you didn't know, 1st of November, so let's get it. So yeah, harnesses first, and then hopefully we can do the harnesses then next bit. I've even got a cheeky light, so hopefully the videos are not going to be dark or anything like that, so you're going to get crisp quality footage. I've got the sound, I've got the camera, I've got the light, so hopefully this is going to be a good one. I'm going to try and put a bit of effort into this one. We're not going to run and gun, we're going to try and shot by shot by shot. So yeah, stay tuned, and if you're new to this rep page, please check it out. I've got loads of videos, Astro VXR videos, Megane videos. I'm going to be getting into doing reviews and stuff, like house kind of bits and bobs and that, so yeah, check out down below. Maybe even give us a cheeky sub if you enjoy the videos, and yeah, comment down below, let me know what you think of the channel, because I appreciate all honesty. And yeah, let's get to the video and let's go. Right then, so first things first, yeah, what you're going to want to do, move the seat forward. I don't know why it does this, but it slides back, it's so annoying. So what you have to do is get the seat forward and then do it like that, which can be quite annoying. So what we've got to do first is, we've got these bolts, so that one there, that cheeky one there, get them two out with this Torx bit. So yeah, let's go. Easy as. Move that one. Like so. And then the same on this side. Right. There we go, that one out. Right then, so what we've got here is these. What I did have, it was like a bolt. I had a bolt and it had like a head on the top of it, so you could like hook into it. But what it was doing, it was fouling on these sides, so this bit here, this bit there, it wouldn't go down. So this basically like slots in there, and then you put the bolt over the top straight in, and then you hook your harness onto that bit there. I'm not too sure, please comment down below. I'm not 100% sure which way should I go in. Do I go this way like so, or do I go the other way? I'm not too sure, so yeah, let's put that into place. We've got 4, so that side, 1 that side, and 2 over that side, so let's go. Right then, so what I've done is I've just literally slide that in like that. There's very little surface area on that one, as you can see. Look, it just looks like it's so close to coming through the hole, so I'm going to just go off this one because there's a lot more on it. So yeah, that's why we're going in, so let's go. Right then, so that side's in, as you can see. That side's in as well, lovely jubbly. Sits in nice, so the harness can go into that and that. So yeah, let's do that side and I'll get back to you when that's done. Right then, so I'm not going to video this because I've done it numerous times, but seats out. I've done it in a previous video. How many times have I had these seats in and out, Aaron? About, at least 10. About 5 or 6 times, I think. So they're going out now. See how long they're out for. Place your bets down below. So yeah, just going to take them out and then we'll get back to you on the next step. So let's go. Right, so if the Renault's going to get credit for anything, it's going to be these. These bolts are like unbelievable, mate. So you've just literally got the Torx bit and then like the socket head, which is amazing. Yes, lovely. Right then, so we've got the big part of the harness, which is going to go to the back, which we're going to thread through the back of the seat, like so. Same with the other one. Just to get that out of the way. So yeah, ravel. That's in there like that. Lovely stuff. Then pull the seat forward. And then theoretically this bolt that we purchased should just like that. That's sound, that is, isn't it? See, it's locked. Is that locked over or not? Pretty tight, that is, isn't it? Is that coming? That's not locked into place, is it? No. Is that locked in? Yeah, it is now, isn't it? And that's how it goes. Yeah. I hope it goes like that. Right then, so next part is we've just got to put these in. So there's where I think the seat belt bolts do, these are the bigger ones. So these are either M10 or M12. And then you've got the little ones that are like M8. So I think M8, M8, M10, M8, M10, M8. So yeah. Right, so slide this baby in. That's the right one, isn't it? Yeah. This is hard, one-handed, you know. Really hard. There we go. Not that you need to see how one of these goes in. There you go. Right then, so we've got these clips for the harness. So I'm thinking harness goes through the clip it in, but then you've got to somehow like secure it. So I'm not too sure if it's got to double back over itself and go through that again, or if it goes back through this and then comes back over itself. Obviously we'll probably have worked that out by the end of the video, but if you know how to do it, comment down below. So I know you're going to laugh at this, yeah. Initially I thought that was it, so you back it through, but there's no way if you have a crash that looping itself is going to save you. So I think we might be onto something. We've like looped it through and then we've like pushed it through this, but the only thing is it's pushing that out. So I'm thinking get this metal bar somewhere like down here, thread that through it, and then I think that should do it. I think. See how we get on. Right then, so I think this is the way. We've like gone through there, looped that bit through there, and then like that looks like we're into a winner. So now we're just doing this side and then that side. And so what we've done, we've like measured it up so the OMP bits are down here. We've measured these bits up, so obviously this one's done, but we basically put these metal strap bits about the same length. Then what we're going to do, pull this out, we're going to go from underneath straight through. Oh, it's a bit annoying that though, it's got that. Yep, so pull that like that, so it's kind of tight, bring it out a little bit, just slide through that like that, pull on that baby, like so, then pull this forward, the whole bit in there, straight in, and then pull. Absolute scenes. Harnesses are pretty much done from the back. So yeah. Right then, so in we go with our piece of wood. So it did say it needed a nibble took off it, so I'm hoping that if we just cut, I don't want to cut too much off it though, so then it starts falling down there. Right then, so the piece of wood is in, it's a bit too long, but basically it's actually pushed it in there and it's actually touching the wall already, like the boot. So what we're going to do, cut a little sliver, probably there, little sliver there, and hopefully that should give us some space so we can push these bits in there. And then what we'll do up here, we'll probably cut it just so it sits nice and flat, and then yeah, that'll do. Let's go. So yeah, that's what you can see. So we're going to go from like say like there, somewhere like
more like that line there.
you reckon? So say we'll go from it. This is my line, yeah. This is Aaron's line, obviously. I'm taller, so I'm bigger. But along the lines of like something like that, I think. So we just cut that little snippet there, which should allow this bit here to get a bit further down there. You probably could measure the depth of that, then go from like that, and then measure like
Pythagoras and pi and all that stuff.
Whatever. So we're going to try and cut that bit out. So then we'll do that, slot this in place, and then pretty much we'll do the same with this one. How much is it overlapping, boy? Oh, there's enough in it. So just go there. There you go. So put that there. I know it's not the most perfect drawing, but if there's an actual proper way to do this, what do? Do you measure like I said there, then add that onto that, and then cut from there? Please let me know, because I'm just literally doing it by winging it. Straight in on your bike. Just tell me it fits like a glove. What do you reckon?
In your bag,
That bit goes down loads better, man. Look. That's it nice with where that does. I think cut a little bit off here. Just cut a little bit. And then this bit will be more down there, innit?
Put that notch right there, innit?
Yeah. Right then, so what we've done, cut the bottom bits so they're pretty decent. Not perfect, but I'm happy. Then I've measured from there to probably like there, where just as it starts to come down, just as it's flat, 80 centimetres. It's not 80 centimetres, 80 centimetres? Yeah, 80 centimetres, and then that's going to cover that. So there you go, there's a line. We're just going to cut that bit, same on that bit there, and then hopefully we'll go in nice. Let's go. Right then, so we have gone and got some impact glue, it's basically spray glue, and then we've got carpet there. So yeah, let's go in steps and let's go. Right then, so this is the carpet. You get a big old load, I'll link in the description if anyone's interested, of just universal carpet. So we're going to like cut the edges, glue it to that side, then same on that side, and then hopefully run that bit to the front of the car. So let's go. Right, let's go. Do that. Need any carpets for you? Holland or what? Oh my god. Wrong way round. That's the back. That's the back of the car.
Put it up quick. It's still wet, isn't it?
You'd spin that round more than anything. Yo, what are you doing, man? Right then, so carpet's been rolled over and we've stuck it to the back of the wood, so then obviously when you flip it over that'll look nice and sexy in the back of the car. And then this bit is going to go down here, so it's going to be wooden floor from there to about there, and then it's going to be carpet from there to there. We're going to put little holes in the carpet for the O-rings. Renault, the Trophy R carpet is I think 260 I was told for that bit, just to like there I think. So scrap that, and I think a company do like a mat that costs 90 quid, so you're better off spending £6 on wood and 15 quid on a bit of carpet, and jobs are good on. 45 seconds. Right then, so advanced carpet's in at the back. Then what we've done, we've just, obviously we already had the eye bolts in, we've just put pushed on it tight, made sure it's all flat, slit, 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 slit. Then put the carpet down, then put the eye bolts back in, which obviously everything's snug as a bug then, nice and flat. So yeah, happy days. I just don't want it wrinkly or anything, I want it nice and flat like I've made my bed, which I never do. So yeah, so we're all carpeted up. We're going to put the harnesses back in. There's one, there's two, then this one. Maybe. Go. Sweet. And this one's fully fell out. Got trapped, yeah. There we go. Oh, do you know what we didn't do? We didn't cut a hole for these to put these under the carpet.
Oh, we said it was gonna look. Oh, git. Oh, let's do that now. I'm doing it again.
What about if we get some glue? What are you doing with
that little glue gun in it?
Reckon?
Yeah, just put a little dot on it. Because you ain't going to adjust them again, are you?
Nah, shouldn't do. Unless we've done them wrong.
Where's the OMP on the back of the seat?
I think because the seats forward.
Oh, right, yeah, so no worries.
Right then, so this is us. We're going to get them on and see how they feel. That one. So, probably could do tighten up a bit on the side and that. Then this one. Strap us in. This one, strap us in. You ready for corners, mate? Oh my god, it's mad. I've got the car for corners, now I've got the harnesses. We ain't going nowhere, mate, honestly. Right then guys, that is it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. I actually had fun on it, to be fair. I was pumped for it in the morning, like raring to go, and then when it come to actually doing it, I was like, I can't bother. So I rang Aaron and I was like, yo, thanks for giving me a hand. And then I was like, right, I'm going to push the negativity out of me. And then I'm going through it with a clear, positive mind, and it actually went pretty well, to be fair. The carpet looks pretty sound, to be fair. As I said before, Trophy R carpet, I think it's about $260 if you try and buy it from Renault. So 15 quid carpet, and the wood was like 6 to 8 quid, I think, and happy days. Like, the cuts don't matter too much because you can't really see it, because when the trim's on you can't really see the wood, and the pretty sound. So yeah, harnesses are in. Harnesses feel absolutely mint, literally. Pads are a bit shit, so I'm going to be replacing the pads before the track day. I do want to try and do the brake fluid as well, but I don't fancy snapping the nipples, so I might get Dan to do it. I don't know yet, but I'd rather get the brake fluid done and the pads. Maybe braided lines. Is it worth doing braided lines? What do you think? Whilst they're being bled, might as well throw new lines in. What do you think? Comment down below, let me know what you think. I think I'm going to go for performance friction. Girlfriend's brother, he's just put them in. He seems to think they're sound. I haven't actually been in his car to experience it, but they seem relatively good on price, and it says that they are very, very good pads. So my rear ones are pretty low, but I'm guessing you don't really use much pads on the rear for when you do track days and that. It's all front biased and that. So yeah, let me know what you think of the video. Comment down below if you think I can do anything to improve the videos or whatever. Let me know what you think, and if you're new, subscribe if you like the video, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.